Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this system of equations. We have x squared plus xy equal to 28, and also y squared plus xy equal to 21. And we are looking for the real value or values of x, the combination, the pairs of solutions that can satisfy the equation. All right, let's get started. I would like to call this one equation number 1 and call this equation number 2. So from equation number 1, you can see that both the two terms contain x. So we can factor out x, right? So we have x outside, inside. From the first term, we have only x. X times x will give us back x squared. Then from the second term, we have y, because x times y will give us xy. And this remains 28. But from the second equation, you can see both terms contain y in common. So we bring y outside, inside. From the first term, we have y, right? And from the second term, we have x. So we have y plus x. We should know that y plus x is the same thing as x plus y. So let us write it as x plus y because we have x plus y here. They are all the same. So we have x plus y. If you expand, y times x will give us the second term. Y times y will give us y squared, which is the first term. And this will remain 21. This is equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. So what I will be doing here is to divide equation number 3 by equation number 4. So if I should take this and divide by this coefficients, or let me say factors, will cancel, leaving only x divided by y, right? So this is x divided by y. And to the other side, we have 28 divided by 21, which I believe we can reduce to the lowest term as 4 divided by 3. Why? Because 7 can divide 28 exactly 4 times. 7 can divide 21 exactly 3 times. Can you see that? From here, we can multiply both sides by y such that, can I say this implies that x equals 4y divided by 3. If I multiply both sides by y, we have x equal to 4y divided by 3. This is an important equation. Let me box it here. Having obtained x as 4y divided by 3, we can plug it into either equation 1 or equation 2. Let me use this equation 2, where we have y squared plus xy equal to 21. So from equation number 2, we have y squared plus x, and x is this, right? So we have to take x and multiply by y. It's the same thing as taking 4y divided by 3 multiplied by y. So 4y divided by 3, the whole of this multiplied by y, this is equal to 21, right? Once you expand, you have 4y squared divided by 3 here. But since we have a fraction, we can multiply every single term by 3 just to clear the fraction. So 3 times y squared, this will give us 3y squared, plus 3 times this will cancel this 3, leaving only the numerator 4y squared. And this is equal to 21 times 3 is 63. Can you see that we have 3y squared, 4y squared, making 7y squared. 7y squared equal to 63. And now we can divide both sides by 7, such that y squared equals 9, because 63 divided by 7 is 9. Let's move to the other side. If y squared is equal to 9, it implies that y could either be 3 or negative 3. Right? So y equals 3 or y equals negative 3. Right? So having obtained the values of y to be either 3 or negative 3, we can directly plug them here and obtain the corresponding value of x. So plug it here. I can even call this one equation number 5. So from equation number 5, we have x equal to 4 times y. So let's pick one of the values. Let's start with this one. 4 times 3 divided by 3. 3 will cancel 3 and this will be equal to 4. So it means that, let me even box it here. It means that when x is 4, y is 3. One of the solutions. Then the other solution, oh, this is not the way I should do that. It should be x1, y1, because we obtained one of the solutions. Then observe, the only difference is the negative sign. So once you replace y here with -3, we are going to obtain -4. So we have x2, y2. They only have a difference of sign, -4, -3. Because the moment you plug in -3 here, you have -4. So x is -4, y is -3. X is +4, y is +3. And these are the pairs of the solutions we have. If you like, you can confirm in this equation. Try to take a pair when x is 4, y is 3, plug them here. Simplify as you are going to get 28 and 21. Do the same thing for this one. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.